My name is Marc Grauwels. I'm a flutist, of course, and I have a long career behind me. I played 16 years as first flute in opera and then in the Radio Symphony Orchestra in Brussels. And then I started a solo career. I decided to stop the orchestra. And so since then I'm traveling a little bit everywhere around the world, and I was teaching also in a Musikhochschule for 26 years. Of course I travel a lot and give master classes. I'm quite used to it, but it's very special because it's the first time that we are in Europe with so many Miyazawa artists together, and it's I know many of them. They are good friends, and it's wonderful to meet them, and it's wonderfully organized, and voila, I fell in love with Miyazawa flutes since many years, and the flutes are wonderful. It's of course the most important, but the people are also really great. The nice things, if you have really young people who will become professionals, and you have other people who are really amateurs. And it's also, generally I don't teach amateurs, and so it's very seldom, but it's very refreshing. You know, people who do music for their hobby, and so it's I'm very humble about, and I think it's beautiful. And I like to have this experience, which is not usual for me. For me, surely for the moment, the best flutes, the most advanced and the best flutes you can have, and sometimes I play 100 concerts a year everywhere, and I never had any problems with any of my Miyazawa flutes. It's thanks to them, I'm really fantastic. The mechanic is really the best. The new Brugger mechanism is very light, and it's much more quicker than any traditional mechanism. And I think that the Miyazawa flutes are a real good compromise between power and quality. You have to find exactly the good match, and I think it's the best match, because an instrument is always a compromise. The perfection doesn't exist, but it's a perfect match for them. They will have the power side because they are young and they have energy, but they will have also the quality. I never had any problem with my flutes. It was never not working. It's a miracle. And I'm very careful because I have a double case with 2 gold flutes, and I always travel with 2 flutes because I'm afraid that there will be a problem. But yeah, but it was never. I never had any problem. So I'm carrying these 2 flutes, maybe for nothing, maybe superstitious. If I would carry 1 flute, maybe I would start. I'm joking. Miyazawa is sure a family. And Kazuo Miyazawa and his father, and so they really make you feel this. And Christian Bach also, of course, yes, 100%.